The next example that I want to focus on the sheet that you have is actually the scientific method example. So I think the important thing to recognize is that when getting anything from flipped instruction, you will never really be following along and filling in blanks. If I need you or another student to get some information that is sort of noteworthy or something Googleable, then I'm just going to go ahead and put it right on the handout. So in this example, I define step one of the scientific method. It's to ask a question. And so I would talk to you, the student, about asking questions. You can ask questions about anything in your environment. For example, I have a tank right here with some toads in it. And maybe a question that I have about those toads is, what temperature of water do the toads prefer to live in? So that's an example of a question that could sort of start the scientific method. On the paper here, I want you to look around the room and pick something that you have a question about that you could use the scientific method to answer, and write that question on the lines here. So you can really inject tonality into this, and as you're learning from flipped instruction, hopefully your experience is that it's not just like learning from a robot. You really do get this personalized experience with the instructor. So if you understand both those examples, you can go ahead and go on to the next slide.